One of the biggest things is they do what I can't find anyone else to do. I can't find anyone else to do the things that I need better. And trust me, I've tried. Hey, I'm Jon Otocka. I'm the president and owner of Better View Windows and More. It's been great working with Mainivent. I think a lot of it is, let's be frank, some of the pricing has a lot to do with it. They're very competitive. One of the other aspects that makes it easy to use is I'm looking for someone that can help me customize my social media, my website usage, being able to help me create different types of ads, create the different types of content. Those are probably the biggest reasons I use them. I need someone to help me create that content, help me make all these different ads, make the changes to the ads. If I need them doing design stuff, they're doing design stuff. If I need them to help me, get Michael Copon in here, one of the Power Rangers, to make a TV ad, they're doing that. So it's like, I just need some things to change in the ad. Every single thing that I've needed customized to fit my needs, Mainivent does better than anyone else. We grow year after year by 10 to 30%. Obviously economy probably has a little bit to do with that, but we're just consistently growing our brands and our company. And since in the last 3 or 4 years, we've probably doubled in size. If you're looking for someone to help you, whether you're smaller and just looking to grow into it, or whether you're already a larger company and looking for someone to just take over a little bit of everything, I feel like they help me get all the different types of ads and content online that I want to have.